from Statistics class 6D in English Education Department with my lecturer by my Ririn Ambarini. I'm from University PGRI of Semarang. In here, I would like to explain the type of experimental research. Experimental research is any research conducted with a scientific approach. It included to hypothesize a variable that can be manipulated by the observer and variability that can be measured, calculated, and compared. Most importantly, experimental research is completed in a controlled environment. This research is one of the founding quantitative research methods. There are three basic types of experimental research design. One is pre-experimental design, two, true experimental design, three, quasi-experimental design. The one I want to explain pre-experimental design. Pre-experimental design are the simple form of research design. In a pre-experimental, either a single group or multiple groups are observed subsequent to some agent or treatment presented to cause change, and pre-experimental design either find to include a pretest, a control or comparison group, or put in addition, no randomization procedure are the used to control for extraneous variables. Type of pre-experimental design have 3 points. One is one short case study design. Two, one group pretest design. And three, statistic group comparison. I have example pre-experimental design. The effectiveness of role play on student speaking class at the Senior School 1 Semarang. The next is true experimental design. True experimental design is regarded as the most accurate form of experimental research, in that it tries to prove or disprove a hypothesis mathematically with statistical analysis. True experimental designs are those where researchers have completed control over the extraneous variables and can predict confidently that the observer effect on the dependable variable is only due to the manipulated of the independent variable. Type of true experimental design: one, post-test only; two, pre-test post-test only; three, Solomon for group; four is factorial; five is randomized block; and six, crossover. Example of true experimental research is the effectiveness of using translation dialogues to improve students' speaking ability in school. And the next, quasi-experimental research design. Quasi-experimental research design involves the manipulation of independent variable to observer to effect on dependent variable, but it lacks at least one of the two characteristics of the true experimental design: randomization or a control group. Type of quasi-experimental research design: non-randomized control group design, time series design, and I have example of quasi-experimental research design. The effect of direct method on student vocabulary mastering in school. And so, three types of experimental research is one, pre-experimental research, true experimental research, and 3 quasi-experimental reason. Okay, thank you for attention. Bye bye.